Now today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the INNODIGYM OMNI X1 Pro. Now this is the Pro version. The difference is with the basic, they don't have an LED screen. The Pro, which is what I have, they do have the screen. The first thing that caught my eye was just the way it's built. You can tell that it's high quality, it's premium built, all right? It's built from aluminum alloy. It's very sturdy, stable, and to make this equipment fully secure, you can even unlock, unfold it, lock it into place if you'd like. It keeps everything so secure. Has a very nice LED screen. The first thing that popped up that I like about it is like when you first get this delivered to your place, it's very easy to unbox and it takes less than 2 minutes to actually set up and install. With the INNODIGYM OMNI X1 Pro, there's literally over 300 to 500 different training courses and it frequently gets updated. So I mean, you have different courses. You have skiing, you got boxing, you go here, you got different training programs or courses. Especially if you're someone that's short on time, they have 15 minutes, 16 minutes, 20 minutes, 27, 32-minute training sessions, right? You can split it into different muscle groups too. You got your core, you got your upper body, hypertrophy, for example. You got metabolic conditioning, upper body, you know, all that good stuff. And you can even break it down into specific muscle groups. So for example, you want to do shoulders, back, right, arms, legs. They have all this good stuff. You can even customize it, right? Shows your BMI, where you're currently at as far as your stats and your body composition. And from hearing about this company, there's gonna be some new intelligent training courses and adaptive training functions that will be updated starting October 2026. And another cool thing about the INNODIGYM OMNI X1 Pro is that it's space saving. What I mean by that is that you can literally fold it up and fit it into an area where it's gonna have you save space in the comfort of your home. One thing I wanted to tell you guys too is that if this screen becomes faulty at any point, you can always use this LCD setting panel and you can adjust it from here. And the machine can still be used. You can set it manually. So you have two options, whether you want to do the screen or do time if you like. So it's optional. And let me show you the different fitness tools that this equipment comes with. So we have the ropes. This is the safety button. Basically, this is the intelligent safety protection for the barbell. All right, so you just attach it to here. Then we got the ankle straps. We got the cable handles, and we got the weighted belt. So I'm just gonna show you guys one of the tools that I'm gonna use that it included. We're gonna use a belt. So I like how it's easy to attach and put around your waist. It makes it feel so secure, and you can adjust it based upon your, you know, how it fits for you. And when you're using this belt, make sure this is facing down. This one's not right on top. So that way it's easier to attach the cable. All you gotta do is just pull this part out and attach it right here. And I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how to use it. Another thing I like about the INNODIGYM machine is that it's touchscreen. So it's easy to change the weight. This one's in kg. You can switch it, guys, to pounds, but I'd rather just keep it how it is because at the end of the day, it's really how it feels when I manipulate the weight. So you can increase it, you can decrease it. I'm gonna keep it here. It also makes it easy to detach this and move it anywhere, and you can move it at the top. So you just take it out like this, and you can move it over here at the top and switch up the workouts depending on the flexibility of the exercise. It has 4 resistance modes that you can use: standard, eccentric, elastic, and isokinetic. Standard mode is basically moving through the full range of motion. That's what you'd expect from like a normal cable or a weight stack, for example. The eccentric mode increases the resistance on the lowering phase of the movement. So that's basically going slow and controlled on the deceleration It's great for building strength and muscle since the eccentric phase causes the most micro tears. Third is elastic mode. It basically mimics the feel of a resistance band. This is where you're doing a lot more explosiveness or power. The fourth one is isokinetic mode. This matches your strength training to your force output. It keeps the movement speed constant. Let's say your internet got disconnected for whatever reason, right? You don't have to worry about it because you can literally use this machine without any Wi-Fi. It's already all embedded as far as the programs and courses, so you have nothing to worry about and there's no excuses on getting your training session in. There's another innovative technology that is set to launch in 2027. INNODIGYM is going to be moving into a traditional camera tracking and are pioneering the world's first laser motion tracking system. This helps users correct workout posture and optimize training effects to the next level. So if you don't want to grab a bunch of dumbbells, kettlebells, different fitness tools that's going to take up a lot of space, this is the home gym for you guys. Aside from that, if you don't want to have a personal trainer, you already have someone that's going to customize your workout programs and training courses that you can follow easily and keep you accountable. Aside from that, guys, this is going to help you save time so that way you don't have to travel to go to the gym, because now you guys can do it at the comfort of your own home. So if you guys want to check out the Omni X1 Pro, definitely click the link in my bio.